Okay, here is my 1970, I believe, Sears Suburban 12. Almost completely done with it. So 26 12 12 ag tires in the back, liquid filled for weight, plus wheel weights. D-stone ag tires in the front, plow. It's fresh paint job everywhere, a bunch of diamond plate. I used to remake some shit where the decals weren't any good anyway. Mine didn't come with it factory, but I added a cigarette lighter. I thought it was cool. It's changed over to an automotive type ignition with a solenoid. So it's ignition, regular key start. The rear lights, because I haven't installed them yet, and install them a little later today, but put my spotlights on the back. This one's headlights, choke obviously. My tires. And then on my plow, I've seen a couple different versions of how people fabbed up. So you could change the angle. This is mine. I just got some rod, bent it up, made the pedal like it's supposed to be. Some eye hooks. Put a nice little bend in it so it go around, all that good shit. It's got a Harley stack off of some kind of Dyna. But anyway, that is her.